Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-Class Standard 9th Information Technology Code 402. Our topic is Unit 1, that is Introduction to IT and IT Enabled Industry. And today's subtopic is Information Technology Enabled Services, that is ITs. In the last session, we have discussed about information technology. Information technology means creating, managing, storing, and exchanging information. IT includes all types of technology used to deal with information, such as computer hardware and software technology used for creating, storing, and transferring information. In today's session, we are going to learn about the various services provided by information technology. Information technology enabled services. Information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of service is information technology enabled services, that is ITs. Means information technology will enable any business or any organization by improving the quality of the service provided by that particular organization comes under ITs, that is information technology enabled services. ITs is also called web enabled services or remote services that cover the entire operations which exploit information technology for improving the efficiency of an organization. Web enabled services are those services which enable the organization or business to provide the various services by making it information technology convenient. Means here that service or that organization will use the software and hardware technology for creation, storing, transferring the information. These services provide a wide range of career options that include opportunities in all offices. It is very obvious that if any organization or any agency or any business is dealing with multiple services, then it will obviously need a man force to do that activities. So, ITs will provide a wide range of career options in these offices. For example, call centers, payrolls, logistic management, revenue claims processing, medical billing, coding, medical transcription, legal databases, various back office operations, etc. The web services and human resource services also comes under the web enabled services or the information technology enabled services. ITEs is defined as outsourcing of processes that can be enabled with information technology. Outsourcing means other person will be doing a work for you. If any business or any organizations does not have that much staff or workspace which they required, then in that case they will outsource some services, that is some services will be provided to them by the other person. So that means outsourcing of processes can be enabled with information technology. It covers diverse areas like finance, HR, that is human resource, administration, healthcare, telecommunication, manufacturing, etc. Next comes the advantages of ITs. E-enabled services radically reduce costs and improve service standards. E-enabled means electronic enabled. Various e-commerce sites which provides you various products and services at a single click at your doorstep will definitely result in reducing the cost and improving the service standards. Internet service provider aims to provide B2B e-commerce solution. Here B2B e-commerce solutions means business to business electronic commerce solutions. ITES offers different services integrated in a single delivery mechanism to end user. Here we can take one example of Zomato. It can relate easily with you because all of you know about Zomato. Zomato provides various services to you. For example, it will help you to search food nearby you. It has map to locate the delivery boy. It has the billing, that is e-banking facility. It also calculates the total amount of bill. These are some of the services offered by Zomato. You don't need to use four separate applications for these four separate services. One web enabled service or one web application will be able to do all this for you. Hence, ITES offers different services integrated, combined in a single delivery mechanism to the end user or to the last users. It offers various services that may include medical transcription, customer relationship management, data entry, and data processing. In the previous session, we have discussed about data and information. So, the raw data is entered into the system or the computer where it is being processed, and we will get the output as an information. So, various services that includes this processing of data are also offered under ITs. Software development, data warehousing. Data warehousing means where the data is stored. IT help desk services means various front desk services provided by ITs. Enterprise resource planning, that is ERP, and telecommunication services, etc. Then comes the BPO, that is business process outsourcing. BPO services also comes under information technology enabled services. The BPO services outsources the various services for a particular organization. Business process outsourcing services means performing business operations through an outside service provider. Outsourcing means making the help of other person to do a particular task. Means other person will be doing a work for you so that you can reduce the cost of that particular product or that service. BPO also comes under IT services as IT plays a very useful role in optimizing the business performance. The BPO industry is highly organized and hence various kinds of jobs are outsourced in India. In the last session, we have also discussed about the role of India in information technology industry. India has the expertise in reducing costs with firm control on the quality of the service. Here, we will again take one example of Zomato. Zomato is a web application or mobile application in your smartphone. We do not need to go to Zomato directly. We will open the application in our smartphone, then it connects you to the nearby server. Then you will choose the menu which you want to order from the various options provided by the web application. You can also search and order something. They will send the order to you, and they will also keep the record of your order that will guided to the payment interface. So Zomato is an example of BPO service which comes under IT enabled services. Some of the BPO services are as follows. First is financial and accounting services. For example, if you are running a firm which needs any kind of financial and accounting service, then you don't need to have a person for that financial and accounting service. Means you do not need to hire a particular person. You can outsource that service from other service provider or other firm which deals in financial and accounting services. Next comes taxation and insurance services. If you want to have an advice about taxation and insurance services, you can outsource for that particular using the BPO services. E-publication and web promotions means the publishing of your documents and the promotion of your services can also be done under this kind of BPO services. Then legal services and content writing, multimedia and design services, document management services, software testing services that can also be outsourced, healthcare services, etc. So, this is all about today's session of information technology enabled services and BPO services. In the next session, we will discuss about BPM industry, that is business process management industry. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.